friends, welcome to my channel Kumar EduTech. Today we will discuss about classification of protocard data. So before classes we will discuss basic classification of card dates. So today card data classification and also general characters. So first, what is card data? Card data means the name protocard data is derived from two words. The name protocard data derived from two words. First, protos means first and carda means card. They are of great phylogenetic significance. It shows first sign of vertebrate formation. So first is general characters. Generally, name found at the bottom of ocean bed. So first, in this kingdom Animalia divided into vertebrates and invertebrates. So in Craniata divides two groups. That is, first one protocardata and second one cardata or craniata. So protocardata or acraniata includes three subphylums. So in this first subphylum 1, hemicardata. So hemicardata means hemi means partially, carda means card. So first partially developed. And next, these hemicardates are exclusively marine and soft-bodied animals. Next, notocard occurs at anterior end only. Next, these hemicardata divided into two classes. So that is, first one is Enteroneustra. It includes acorn worm and tongue worms. Acorn worm or tongue worms. It is solitary and burrowing from worms like marine forms. Numerous pharyngeal gill slits are present. Best example is Belanoglasses. Then second class of hemicardata, Pterobranchia. It is sedentary, solitary or colonial marine forms. Pharyngeal gill slits one or absent. Next, these Pterobranchia again divided into two orders. First one, Cephalodicida and Rhabdoplerida. Then next subphylum is Urocardata. Urocardata are sea squids. It is exclusively marine forms. Notocard present in the larval stage only. Notocard present in larval forms. Next, sexes are united or hermaphrodite. These are all hermaphrodite animals. Next, these Urocardata includes three classes. So first one, Larvaceae, Acidiaceae, Thaliaceae, or Acidiaceae, Thaliaceae and Larvaceae. So in this Acidiaceae, it includes sea squids, free swimming or fixed marine forms. So all Urocardates are marine forms. So Acidiaceans are free swimming forms. Next, test is permanent. Tail is absent. Sorry, absent. Next, body is transparent. Next, Thaliaceae. Free swimming or fixed marine forms. Test is permanent or transparent. Tail is absent in adults. Next, Larvaceae. Free swimming pelagic forms. It is a pelagic forms. Next, test is temporary. Test is temporary. Tail is present. So then SDACA again divided into three orders. So first one SDA simplicus, SDA luciae and SDA compositae. Next Thaliaceae again divided into another two orders, that is Doliolida and Hemimyria. Doliolida and Hemimyria. So in this, test is moderately well developed and muscle bands are always complete surrounding the body. Example, Doliolium. Next, Hemimyria. Test is well developed and transparent. Muscle bonds are always incomplete ventrally. Example, Salfa. Next one, subphylum 3, Cephalochordata. Cephalochordata means, cephalo means head, chorda means cord. So notochord present in head region is called as Cephalochordata. Exclusively marine solitary forms. These are exclusively marine solitary forms. Notochord and nerve cord extend the entire length of the body. Sexes are united or hermaphrodite. It includes only one class, Leptochordae. So in this, segmented slender fish-like lancelets are present. Epidermis without scales. Best example is Branchiostoma or Amphioxus. Next, what is Urochordata? Urochordata means notochord present in tail region only. Cephalochordata means notochord present in only head region is called as Cephalochordata. Thank you.